Creating outreach emails that don't feel robotic can be a challenge, but with a few simple tips, you can craft personalized, human-like messages that engage your recipients and don't sound like you're reading from a script. Let's dive in. First, start with a personal touch. Instead of a generic greeting like "Dear Sir Madam," use the recipient's name whenever possible. This makes the email feel more personal and shows that you've done some research. People love to feel seen, so addressing them directly is an easy win. Next, avoid using overused phrases or buzzwords. Phrases like "I hope you're doing well" can sound robotic if overdone. Try something more specific and natural, like mentioning a recent article they wrote or a project they're working on. This shows you're genuinely interested in them, not just sending out a mass email. When you get to the body of the email, focus on the value you can offer. Don't just talk about what you need. Whether you're offering a product, a service, or information, explain how it benefits them. Make it clear why they should care and focus on their pain points. This humanizes the email by aligning it with their needs, rather than just yours. The tone of your email is crucial. Avoid using overly formal or technical language, unless that's the tone they expect. A conversational tone makes the email feel more authentic. Instead of writing like a robot, imagine you're writing to a friend or colleague. Make it sound like you're having a conversation, not delivering a pitch. Another key point is to keep your email concise. People are busy and they appreciate brevity. Make your point quickly and don't ramble. The best outreach emails are to the point and show respect for the reader's time. Now let's talk about follow-up. One mistake people make with outreach emails is sending too many follow-ups. Don't be that person who sends 5 emails asking for a response. Be patient. Give your recipient enough time to reply, and if you need to follow up, do it in a friendly, non-pushy way. Let them know you're available for any questions they might have and express that you understand they're busy. If you want to follow along with me and create your own outreach emails, I've got something for you. I've tested many of the most popular tools for creating outreach emails that don't feel robotic. In the description, I've included a link to an exclusive free trial of a software I recommend. This software will help you streamline your email process, making it easy to personalize and track your outreach. Make sure you grab that free trial exclusive to my viewers. A key takeaway from this video is to always keep the recipient in mind. Craft your email with them, not just you, at the center. Personalize it, make it conversational, and ensure it's short and sweet. To quickly recap: 1. Start with a personalized greeting. 2. Use natural language, avoid buzzwords. 3. Focus on the recipient's needs. 4. Keep the tone conversational. 5. Be concise and respect their time. 6. Don't overdo the follow-ups. And don't forget, grab the exclusive free trial of the software we're using to help with outreach emails in the description below. That's it for today. Happy emailing.